this isn't really how I want this to turn out, but part 2 of this video is make it work because you're on a timeline. All I did was added some, this is 2-inch Sked 80 pipe that I had from my job. Welded that to some plates I made to fit onto the motor mounts. This isn't its final form, so to speak. I'm gonna get rid of this pipe, and then eventually we'll get rid of the motor mounts for the next ones that we do. This was just because I need this rebuilt this week. So I need to get this thing done right away, and I don't have the steel to build it the way I want to. So you'll see a part 3 of making this thing how I actually want it to be. Unfortunately, my timeline didn't really work out for this one, but we're gonna get this thing teared down, and we're gonna modify it so it goes into a truck. This is a van motor. Some things are gonna have to change. Where the fuel filter sits, the driver's side exhaust manifold has to change. I think the vans have a better alternator. I have to double check on that one. But we're gonna pull the heads off, change the head gaskets, make sure everything's A-okay on the inside, and then swap the parts from the truck motor over to this one and throw this into that truck and see if I don't have a winter beater now that we're well into winter. Anyways, stick around for some IDI rebuild videos if you want those. Otherwise, part 3 of an actual engine run stand will be much, much better than this. All I have here is some channel and some wood to support the oil pan. Otherwise, this would rock forwards and backwards a lot because of the rubber motor mounts. I didn't want to solid mount it because of where the IDI motor mount is. So going forward, I'm gonna engineer something that's a little more modular so we can fit any engine mount here that's solid. And then I'll have a crossbar that comes underneath all of it to tie everything together, make sure nothing rotates, nothing spins. And if it torques forwards and backwards, that we have adequate strength to be able to handle all that. All that will be coming in a different video. I just need this thing torn down. So see you next time.